Hello student, now we'll discuss the exercise 2.1 question number 2. Question number 2 F. What is question? Question is 1 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3 complete power minus 5 by 2. How to do it? Guys, you know that 1 have any positive power, its value is 1. So it will be 1, 2 to the power 3, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 and 3 to the power 3 is 27. Its power is minus 5 by 2. So what will happen? 8 plus 1 it will be 9, 9 plus 27 it will be 36. Now we have 36 to the power minus 5 by 2. You know that when the number has given power as fraction, generally that bracket number is converted as the power of denominator. For the 36, you know that we can write 6 6 are 36. So for the 36 we can write it as 6 to the power 2 and further power minus 5 by 2. And you know that power on power means multiplication of powers. So it will be 6 to the power 2 into minus 5 by 2. This 2 will cross out. 6 to the power minus 5 is the answer. You can also write it as 1 by 6 to the power 5. Now we will discuss the same question, question number J. What is the question? Question is this: 3 to the power minus 2 further power 2 into 5 to the power 2 further power minus 3 into t to the power minus 3 further power 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2 further power 5 into 5 to the power 3 further power minus 2 and into t to the power minus 4 further power 3. How to solve this question? See, in the same way, power on power concept, it will be 3 to the power 2 2s are 4, 3 to the power minus 4 into 5 to the power minus 6 into t to the power minus 6. Similarly, denominator 3 to the power minus 10 into 5 to the power minus 6 into t to the power minus 12. This 5 to the power minus 6 and 5 to the power minus 6 will cross out directly. Now what we have? We can write it as 3 to the power minus 4 into t to the power minus 6 divided by 3 to the power minus 10 into t to the power minus 6. As you know that for the division what we are doing, 3 to the power minus 4 into t to the power minus 6 into 3 to the power 10 into t to the power 6. Guys, why here I done minus 10 to 10 and minus 6? Why we done this? Because you know that when division is there, we are changing the division sign into multiplication and we are writing the reciprocal of the number. So 3 to the power minus 10's reciprocal is 3 to the power 10. Similarly, t to the power minus 12's reciprocal is t to the power 12. That's why we done this. Now these both have the same base. So what we will do? 3 to the power minus 4 plus 10. Similarly, t to the power minus 6 plus 12. What will happen here? It will be 3 to the power 6 into t to the power 12. This is your answer. Into t to the power 6. Here when we will subtract 6 from 12, it will be t to the power 6. Because the question number 7 of the same exercise, what is the question? by what number should minus 2 to the power 2 by 7 to the power minus 2 be multiplied so that the product is equals to, by what number should 2 by 7 to the power minus 2 be multiplied so that the product is equals to 5 by 7 to the minus 1. Let we solve. Let 2 by 7 to the power minus 2 be multiplied by x so that product is 5 by 7 to the power minus 1. According to question, we can write 2 by 7 to the power minus 2 into x is equals to 5 by 7 to the power minus 1. We will transpose the 2 by 7 to the power minus 2 that side. So x is equals to 5 by 7 to the power minus 1, and it will be into 7 by 2 to the power minus 2. You know this na? Denominator will go that side, it will numerator, and numerator will be denominator. So what is x? For this we can write 5 by 7 to the power 1. Similarly for this we can write 2 by 7 to the power 2. So it will be 5 by 7 into 2 by 7 into 2 by 7. So 5 2s are 10, 2s are 20, 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are 49 7s are, sorry guys, here little mistake, we'll discuss again. 5 by 7 to the power minus 1, we can write it as 7 by 5. For this we can write 2 by 7 to the power 2. Now it will be 7 by 5 into 2 by 7 into 2 by 7. This 7 7 will cross, 2 2s are 4 and 5 7s are 35. This is the answer of your question. Guys, now we will discuss question number 8 of same exercise, in which you have to find the value of m. Firstly we will discuss A. 2 by 3 to the power minus 4 into 2 by 3 to the power minus 8 is equals to 2 by 3 to the power 4m. So firstly, before starting the question, you have to understand one simple thing is that when the questions are given as the power in the form of variable and you have to find the value of that variable, in that condition generally either bases are given equal or we have to convert the bases equal. When we will write the LHS and RHS both base equal, in that condition the powers will be also equal. In that way you can find the value of variable. Let we start. What is this? 2 by 3, 2 by 3 both having the same base, so we can write it as 2 by 3 to the power minus 4 plus minus 8, because multiplication is here. Again 2 by 3 to the power 4m. What will happen here? 2 by 3 to the power minus 4 and minus 8, it will be minus 12 is equals to 2 by 3 to the power 4m. Now you can see that in our LHS base is 2 by 3, in RHS also base 2 by 3. So when two numbers are equal, you can see that equal mark is between them, means what? These both numbers are equal. And when the numbers are equal and their bases are also equal, in that condition powers will be equal. So what we can write? We can write that 4m is equals to minus 12, and further m is equals to minus 12 by 4, that will be minus 3. This is the value of m for this question. Because that question number D of 8, what is that? It is 4 by 5 to the power 3m plus 1 into 4 by 5 to the power minus 15 is equals to 4 by 5 to the power m. Let me start. You know that bases are same, so when we'll solve the LHS, it will be 4 by 5 to the power 3m plus 1 plus minus 15 is equals to 4 by 5m. It will be 4 by 5 to the power 3m minus 14 is equals to 4 by 5 to the power m. Again the same concept. This number and this number both are equal and their bases are equal, so powers will be equal. So 3m minus 14 will be equals to m. Will transpose the m this side and 14 that side. 3m minus m is equals to 14, or 2m is equals to 14, or m is equals to 14 by 2, that is 7. We will discuss exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Some question. Question number 4. Firstly, see what is the question. The size of an animal cell is 0.000068 meter and size of a plant cell is 0.000015 meter. Find the ratio of the size of plant cell that of the animal cell. So guys, it is very simple question. To find the ratio, you have to write both values as a fraction. What we will write? We will write ratio is equals to size of animal cell upon size of plant cell. Yes, but remember one thing, that whose name is given first, that you will write as numerator, and whose name is given later, that you will write as denominator. In your question, animal cell is given first, so we will write it as numerator, and plant cell is given later, so we will write it as denominator. So 0.000068 upon 0.000015. Firstly, we change it in like decimal. So what it will be? It will be, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are both sides. After that, if we will write 68, to write it 68, we have to multiply. After these 4 zeros, we have to multiply it by 1000. Similarly, we will multiply this 15 also by 1000. So it will be 150. So this is, you can also cross it. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and here 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. Now it is not divisible, so ratio is 34:75. Question number 5. The diameter of the sun and the earth are 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 and 1.275 into 10 to the power 7 meter. Find the ratios of their diameter. So in short, I am doing, you will write in this way. I am directly writing the values. 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 meter upon 1.275 into 10 to the power 7 meter. So firstly cross the meter. Now some here 10 to the power 7, here 10 to the power 9. So we can write it as 140 into 10 to the power 7 upon 1.275 into 10 to the power 7. So this 10 to the power 7 will cross out. To remove the decimal, what we will do, we will multiply by 1000, so it will be 1275. After that, you can cross it by 25 or 75, by which number it will cut. Find their HCF and divide both by that. You will get the answer. Thank you.